Hey guys, hello. I've opened PS5 Slim power supply. It's 400, yeah. Don't remember which one it is. Alpha Delta Papa dash 400 Golf Romeo. That's the one. And I wanted to show you one thing because that's like a common thing in them. So these power supplies in PlayStation 5, when they are clocked, especially when they are clocked, that's the main pretty much reason to that, is that they cannot release the temperature outside. So what is then happening, you find spot where it's overheating, and you might be able to see such spot here where the capacitor is. So then you can imagine if that power supply received too much heat, yes, there's transistor or MOSFET or something that is causing that, then the then when it has too much heat and cannot release it, the capacitors are drying out, and then it works in like a lower performance, but at the high performance those capacitors cannot give you enough energy. So then this 3100, I think, microfarad on 10 volts or something, or other capacitors can just be out of spec. So you need ESR meter to measure the internal resistance, discharge everything if it's not discharged because it can electrocute you. And you need to check capacitance, so capacitance meters you need as well. So this is not recommended standard meter. Yes, it's better to have ESR meter pretty much bought and test it this way. And only by replacing those with quality capacitors, like for instance Nichicon, yes, can guarantee you good longevity. But the problem is the customer, and educating people that when there is a fan, it's clogging the same way as car is clogging when you don't replace filters. Yes, that's a maintenance, that's not fault. Yes, so the same story goes with this. It has to be open, it has to be cleaned. Yes, and if it's done, then it can last for longer. That's why some of the PlayStation 5s can last for longer and some of them are not that lucky. Now I need to check if you have seen this. If you have seen, I need to start recording again, because these are customer data which supposed to not be shown to the public. And I'm not editing videos this way. You know, you don't watch AI, you watch a human being. So guys, that's all in this video. That's really short video, only 3 minutes. Hope you've got a value of it, and if you did click like because of that, double likes to you guys. Thank you, and as always, my music is in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ta-da!